For those of you applying for California rental relief, March is the new deadline for those who had applied for assistance before the moratorium ended but had not yet been approved or received funds. California's $5.2 billion pandemic rental relief fund is struggling to meet the demand. Earlier this month, the state's request for an additional $1.9 billion from the federal government's American Rescue Plan was met with an award of just $62 million. If a state does not utilize its full amount of emergency rental assistance funds that is given from the federal government, then those funds are captured by the federal government and redistributed to other states. The first reallocation of funds has already occurred, and while California has received additional funds, this amount is not enough. The Treasury states that there will be multiple rounds of reallocation in which states can request more funds from unused amounts being redistributed. The process of reallocating emergency rental funds will not begin until March 31st, 2022. For those individuals who have already applied to California's Housing is Key program or other rental assistance programs based on your locality, many are extremely frustrated at how slow the process has been, the lack of customer service, and in some cases, the lack of forward movement at all in any way with receiving funds. I want to encourage anyone who is struggling to receive help from the Housing is Key program or from your local rental assistance program to contact your assembly member. Just as the assembly members have been helpful in handling issues with the California EDD, they are also proving to be helpful in many cases with rental assistance. If you are unsure how to contact your assembly member, click the link in the video description down below. Once you locate who your assembly member is, navigate to their website, locate their contact information, and either call into their office or email them. For those of you that want a full list of the rental assistance programs in the state of California, I have linked that list in the video description down below. For those of you who have lost your homes as a result of not being able to pay rent due to the pandemic, and you are waiting on your application or funds being processed by Housing is Key, Housing is Key does have a Continuum of Care California outreach list. Utilize this list to locate a local agency and contact them using the email addresses or phone numbers listed.